everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. So I'm doing a 10 video mini series. These videos are going to be called Quickie Wig Reviews, Quickie with Christi. So they're going to be voiceover reviews. This is just an intro and we're going to get right into it. So the rest of the review will be a voiceover, even the ending of the wig. I hope you enjoy these quickie wig reviews. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I just want to say that I love you guys. All these wigs I'm going to show you, I have bought myself. Some I have had for over 6 months, some 9 months. They're my favorites, but I've never done a wig review on them, but they've been around a while. So it was kind of like, should I not? And I decided, you know what? I'm going to do quickie wig reviews with Christi. So I can tell you what I love about these pieces and why they're in my wig closet and why I wear them. So let's dive into these quickie wig reviews. Okay, up next in my Quickies with Christi series is JON RENAU Amber in Palm Springs Blonde. I've had this wig for almost a year. I have wore this for tons of date nights, family photos. It is a stunner. I have had 3 ambers, and amber is a must-need in a wig closet. You can put this up in an updo, you can wear it down, you can do it half up. The layers are gorgeous, the curls are beautiful, and as you can see, it stays and it handles well. Like I said, I've had this almost a year. It has an incredible lace front, mono top, velvet felt ear tabs and nape, great stretch. Amber does come in a regular and a large size. I have the regular, but it is a bit tight for me, and I'm a 21.75 to 22 inch head. Any larger than that, I recommend getting the amber large. She is incredible, very fine layer of permatease. I feel like they have improved amber, and she keeps getting better and better as every amber I've gotten has gotten better and better with the permatease. There's barely any in there. Maybe just a fine line, but I could not find any permatease. I got this at Wig Studio 1. You can check out a link down below of how you can get this at wigstudio1.com. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'd love to have your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!